Hey folks, we're going to do a little tech tip on drive stat. Well, I abandoned the center console idea on the shoebox right now because I cut out a piece and it looked like shit. I don't know a better way to put that. It looked absolutely awful. I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's see how it fits. Axle to make it do the spinny bobbers. Is that good?
Yeah, what's the spinny bobber connect to?
The spinny bobber connects to the dually wheels. And they wheelie doodle. And then you got the brakes. And then you got the airbag mufflers.
You got anything you want to add to it?
While we locate some donor parts and fuck. God damn it.
Donor parts.
Welcome back. Couple up. Now we got the brakes. Oh, shit. 3, 2, 1, action. 1 sneeze. Oh my god. I'm dying from sinuses. Yeah, whatever. Tolerate me. Why is it doing that? That was stupid. We'll do it again. Just keep. All right, let's try it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Hey, thanks for tuning in. That's good. Versus aftermarket options and what might be best for you. Fuck. Reset. Don't stop recording. Just leave it. You recording? All right, Allie, and that's just from where we were.